So I've been away for a couple weeks, business and pleasure, and just sitting here in my garden. As any of our followers know, our kids suffer from quite a few food allergies, so navigating, traveling, restaurants, all of that stuff is extremely difficult, but we've, for the most part, figured it out. Stumbled here and there, but it's a lot of new folks who are new to allergies, and seeing them, for instance, on this last cruise or even in the airport, trying to navigate things, and we just quite often are in the right place at the right time where we can offer some advice, but we're just really excited to get our product out there for the world to taste, because it's really good, but it also allows people to eat without being scared. And I don't think a lot of people talk about the psychology of having food allergies. I can tell you from our kids' experience, once a mishap takes place, especially on something like a cruise, they don't want to eat again. And that's very problematic when you're already limited. So that can be very frustrating, not only for us parents trying to figure out what to feed them, but it's also frustrating for them because you know they're hungry, but yet they're so scared. And you can see it in their temperament, their breathing, their rate of breathing increases, heart rate goes up, and they're literally scared to eat. So we're just out here trying to make a product that's safe for families like ours.